Hello and welcome to Celiac.com news. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest celiac disease and gluten-free diet news. And if you have any questions, be sure to join the Celiac.com forum online at Celiac.com. And now, let's move on to the latest Celiac.com news. Artificial intelligence reaches pathologist-level. Accuracy in celiac disease diagnosis. Celiac disease is a common autoimmune disorder affecting about 1% of the global population. Diagnosing it typically requires examining small intestine, duodenal biopsies under a microscope to detect damage to the intestinal lining. However, even expert pathologists don't always agree on diagnoses. Studies show their assessments match only about 80% of the time. This inconsistency can lead to delayed or incorrect diagnoses, leaving patients without proper treatment. To improve accuracy and speed, researchers have developed a machine learning model that can diagnose celiac disease from biopsy images as reliably as a human pathologist, and possibly even better. This breakthrough could help reduce diagnostic errors and speed up treatment for those with celiac disease. The research team trained an artificial intelligence (AI) model using a large dataset of 3,383 biopsy images from 4 different hospitals. These images came from various scanning machines to ensure the AI could work with different types of medical equipment. The model was designed to analyze whole slide images of duodenal biopsies stained with hematoxylin and eosin, a standard method for viewing tissue samples. To test the model's accuracy, the researchers used an entirely new set of 644 biopsy scans from a different hospital that the AI had never seen before. They also compared the AI's diagnoses with those of 4 specialist pathologists to see how well it performed against human experts. The AI model proved to be extremely effective. It correctly diagnosed celiac disease with over 95% accuracy, achieving 95% sensitivity, its ability to detect true cases, and 95% specificity, its ability to rule out non-cases. Its performance was so precise that its area under the receiver operating characteristic curve, AUC-ROC, a measure of diagnostic accuracy, exceeded 99%, indicating a near-perfect ability to distinguish between celiac and non-celiac cases. When compared to 4 expert pathologists, the AI's diagnoses were statistically indistinguishable from theirs, meaning it performed at least as well as a trained specialist. One of the most promising aspects of this AI model is its ability to function across different hospitals and scanning technologies. Because the AI was tested on biopsy images from a completely new hospital, using different scanning technology than it was trained on, the results demonstrate that it can generalize well to real-world clinical settings. This is crucial since medical imaging equipment varies between hospitals, and a useful diagnostic tool must work reliably across different systems. Beyond accuracy, this AI model has the potential to transform the diagnostic process by reducing human error, speeding up diagnoses, and assisting pathologists in difficult or borderline cases where celiac-related damage is subtle. Currently, diagnosing celiac disease requires a pathologist to manually review biopsy slides, which can be time-consuming and subjective. The AI model could help ensure a more consistent, objective assessment while significantly reducing the time it takes to confirm a diagnosis. For people with celiac disease, these advancements offer several key benefits. Faster and more accurate diagnoses mean fewer delays in starting a gluten-free diet, which is essential for preventing further complications. Many patients struggle with long diagnostic timelines due to inconsistent biopsy interpretations, but an AI tool that matches expert pathologists could help them get answers much sooner. Additionally, because pathologists don't always agree on biopsy results, some patients may be misdiagnosed or left in limbo. A highly accurate AI system could provide a second opinion, reducing uncertainty and ensuring correct treatment. Another major advantage is improved access to specialized care. Not all hospitals have pathologists who specialize in celiac disease, but an AI model like this could help standardize diagnoses across different medical centers. This would ensure that patients in smaller or rural clinics receive the same quality of assessment as those in major hospitals. Beyond diagnosis, this technology could also play a role in research by tracking disease progression in clinical trials, studying how gluten exposure affects intestinal damage over time, and developing even more precise tools for detecting early or mild cases of celiac disease. This study demonstrates that artificial intelligence can diagnose celiac disease as accurately as expert pathologists, and possibly even more consistently. By reducing human error and speeding up the diagnostic process, this technology could help countless individuals receive timely and correct diagnoses, leading to better management of their condition. For people with celiac disease, faster and more reliable biopsy analysis means less waiting, fewer misdiagnoses, and quicker access to treatment. While human experts will still play a critical role, AI-assisted diagnosis could become a valuable tool in ensuring that everyone with celiac disease gets the care they need. As this technology continues to develop, it may soon become a standard part of celiac disease testing, improving outcomes for patients worldwide. To get the latest celiac disease news and information, be sure to subscribe to Celiac.com News. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.